Upon complaint from a local restaurant owner that some Navy persons are creating nuisance in his restaurant, I detailed the robbered vehicle, so also another vehicle, and we have brought at the police station 6 naval personnel who were off duty and they were under the influence of liquor and creating nuisance in the said restaurant, which is already captured in on the CCTV. So we have sent them for medical examination to check as to whether they are under the influence of alcohol, and based on the medical report, we will take further action, including booking them under 24 of Indian Police Act. That's what.
Will they be arrested in later stages now after medical?
We will do whatever is required as per law.
How many of them were there?
6 persons.
6 naval personnel. Yes.